your hands on the bar. All done now. Oh.
Look at your mom. He's gonna get sick. Ready for more pushes?
Whoa! It's filled! You missed that bucket, Reese! Jump like a frog! Jump, jump, jump! That's not a frog! There's a jump, there's the frog! Woohoo! Ribbit, ribbit! Ready, set, go!
Mommy.
How do you work this? Oh my goodness, you all, I thought it was going to get me wet. It stopped right when it was in my direction, in my way.
Come over here more.
I don't want to get wet though.
Huh?
Yeah. What happens when you go right in the middle of it?
Here?
Okay, what does this do? Oh, that is going to get me wet, I think. Why? Oh, wow. You're so strong. Oh, there it is. Oh, I can't go over there because there's other people.
If I stand in this really long, it will hurt.
Really?
Yeah. Because the water is so strong.
Yeah, it's got so much pressure.
It hurts like crazy. Now it doesn't. Now it hurts.
have some. Bet.
Ah! In gym class I had.
Oh, goodness.
I bumped head to head with. Oh, well, I got a big bump on my head.
Nice.
Nice!
Nice. Where's your brother? Go step on that water, please. Yeah, that's it. I'm not. Yeah, I'm watching it. Okay. You're gonna let the water out little by little? You're so brave in that water. Isn't it cold? That's awesome. And this one again? Woo! Oh dear, that's gonna get me wet, isn't it? Yikes. What are you doing with it? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Wow, you got the splash pad to yourself. No one else here. Where are you going now? Gonna go to the mist? No. So maybe you should go touch that flower and activate it with your elbow.
Okay.
There you go.
Yay!
Where are you going? All right. Try me. You need stronger elbows, I guess. Where are you going? Go through it.